day, everyone. Well, if your phone is not ringing or not vibrating, you can fix it on your own in Android phone. So, firstly, we need to open the settings. So, you will have a settings icon. So, open that settings icon. And once you open it, no matter which Android you're using, it is really very easy to change it. You just need to search ringtone or just search volume. I'm sorry. Just search volume and you will find in all phones, you will always find volume. And we need to go to the volume under sound and vibration. And here you need to make sure interface may be changed, but things will remain same. So here, if it's mute, if it's vibrate, if it's sound, then simply select sound and vibrate while ringing. If you want that, turn it on, else turn it off. I want that, so I have turned it on. You can also change the ringtone from here, and you can also increase the volume for the ringtone. All right, so this is how you can fix your phone if it's not ringing, not vibrating, or even if you want to change your ringtone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day. Take care.